Hi guys, Nick is here from Space. Welcome to our video series for implementation of SketchUp in architectural design workflow. Hopefully, during this time you will enjoy at the first place, you will learn something, and you will find the way how SketchUp could improve your ability to create, to produce, and to deliver on time much more successful projects than ever before. But let's stop talking and go ahead to see the topic today. The next step, or the final step in preparation of our drawings and our drawing set, will be to set our room names and room areas in our project for each floor plan of our building. So in order to do that, I will go at first into our project browser, into layers, and I will create a new layer, and the name of this new layer will be, let's say, rooms, and I will go and place it here, this layer. So now I can use the easiest way to extract actually the room areas from your SketchUp model, and I will go to the main menu bar and I will use here this tool called label. So I will create these labels for each room of our project. Simply click your label, and now you can go to your default tray and to adjust the representation of this label. I will go at first to our text, and I would like our text to be in Arial black, regular, and the size of our text will be 4. So I will go next to our shape style, and the stroke will be in this dimension 0.10 and 0.25. The dash will be like this, and this will be the beginning actually of our label, and it will find like this, and from here you can control how to start and how to finish actually your leader to your label. So I think everything is fine, so I will pick the first point. I would like to place our label here, and this is a starting point of our label. So here will be probably the final one, and you have to double click and you will see this arrow, and from here you can control what exactly would you like to see and to extract an information from your SketchUp model. I would like, if you go to face, I would like to see the face area here. So I will choose this one and click enter in order to confirm that it will be your label that you would like to see. In our case is 54.54 square meters. And now I can go to the next room. It will be here. I will place this label here in the same manner, and this is the next one here for our lobby and staircase. will be here, and this is actually our next room, and this one, and I can place here for our toilet as well. Here, somewhere here, it will be, let's say, for our swimming pool, and for our outdoor area. And this is the volume and the area. And now actually the next step will be to set the room names here. So I will go to our text tool and I will adjust the text 8. Let's say the color will be this one, and I don't want to be in Arial black, so I will leave as regular, or I can create bold, for example, and I would like to be aligned into the center our text, so I just will go and place this text here, and this is our master bedroom. It will be our master bath, and this is a lobby, laundry, and this was a storage room, this was spa, or I can go to our SketchUp model and I can check what is the exact name for each of these facilities here, if I'm not sure, but for now I will go just and pick this one. It was the toilet, the sauna, and here was the technical room. This is our swimming pool area. Outside there's, let's go like this, and now I can go and adjust the exact position of our text for each room. Master bed, and here is the laundry, like this. toilet. And here is the swimming pool area outside, and if I don't like it, I can pick all the text like this. I have to adjust the lobby, and I can go here, and for example I would like to change the color, something like this, and I will adjust the lobby text like this. And actually now I have finished with all these areas and room names in our underground floor. Now I will continue with the rest of the floors. By the same way I will create the areas as well the room names. And the final step in preparation of our drawing will be to go and see if everything is okay, if we have to add something more or not. And now I can go here in the main menu bar into the file menu, export PDF, and from here project drawing layout in PDF format. I will export all the pages from our project, and this is an export file. Pages, let's say all of our pages, there are 6, and output resolution will be, let's say, high. Use JPEG compression for images, we don't have ones. layers here. According to the layers, create PDF layers from your layout layers. It will be much more useful to leave this checked in order to have the opportunity to hide or unhide layers in your PDF. And show export in PDF viewer, click export, and now actually the layout start exporting of your layout pages. There are 6 as a whole, and you have to wait in a couple of minutes to finish this export. And now actually you have your project drawing set. As you can see, everything is put into pages, and you have layers as well. If you go here, you will see that into your PDF document you have a title block, project situation, hatches, and so on, all the layers from your layout model. So we have the first one, the second page is our situation plan, project situation, then we have underground floor layout, ground floor, and the first floor of our building, and the final drawing is for the building section. So by this way we actually have finished the preparation of drawing set for our building project, and now we can continue and to create some visualization of our project. So we are ready for now, and we can go ahead to the next stage of our project. See you there.